Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on the $500 swing trading challenge to prove to you you don't need millions or thousands of dollars to get started. All you need is a solid strategy. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I highly recommend going on and checking out my school, the Swing Trading Masterclass. We talk about how to find these stocks. We talk about my strategies, my approach, my emotions, pretty much everything about swing trading. It's absolutely fantastic, guys. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need for swing trading in the stock market. Check it out down below, and you guys can use code CHALLENGE because we're doing the $500 account challenge. Code CHALLENGE for 50% off. Only 5 spots left for that code. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week, what was my approach? Did I make any money? Well, yes, I did make money. We grew our total account as of right now to $609.54. This past week, we made $35 or 6.16%. Which is great. You know, as a swing trader, honestly, what makes up a successful swing trader is consistency in base hits. What I mean by that is those 1, 2, 3% returns compounded over a year is going to be where you make your money. You're not going to make your money on these massive high risk returns of 10, 20, 30%. You're just not gonna. You're going to burn through your account because you're taking on too high risk trades. So let's talk about my trade that I took this past week here. So looking at it, this was the stock actually we called out here. It's ticker symbol ZION. Now, one of the reasons I absolutely love this stock is we have this good upward trend. You guys can see that the stock has gone from about $27 up to about $45 a share, okay, which is really, really nice. Another thing that I love here is if you guys look at this dark blue line, this dark blue line acts as heavy support. So it hits it once, twice, 3 times, even 4 times, establishing that really, really good trend. As far as resistance goes, you guys can see it does have some very, very good resistance where we hit it, we get sell off, hit it, sell off, hit it, sell off, establishing that really good trend line. So for me and my approach here, this past week, we hopped in near and around $40.72. So let's break down my approach here. So hopping in near and around $40.72, my approach was having our target come up here to highs at about $45. And our stop loss, I'm just going to set it just a little bit below that moving average line, that 200-day moving average line. And the reason why I say that is because it does have those same tendencies of getting support. So you guys can see that if this thing goes south and we get that breakdown of that 200-day moving average line, we're just wrong. You know, we just wrong. We're just going to cut our losses. But as far as this trade goes, you guys can see it actually hits, it breaks above, hits that 90-day moving average line, and is moving its way up. So now my approach is super, super simple. If it breaks through that trend, we're just going to cut our losses. You know, having an approach like this will make sure you can catch those runners that rally up. But if it just goes south, we're still in profit and we just cut our losses. Another reason why we took this trade is looking at the RSI. The RSI was trading for near and around, at the time, it was trading for near and around a 45. So it was, yes, it was a little bit, I would say kind of a little overvalued. Normally what we do is we will trade positions that are under, I would say, about a 30. So this was a little bit of a higher risk trade, to be honest with you. But looking at it, the last points of contact that it was trading for a 45, you know, one was in here where we did get some volatility, some good moves. And then another move was right in here where it went from 40 to 45. Before then, it went from 39, to 42. So I knew that just because it's at a 45 doesn't necessarily mean we're not going to get buying pressure. Another reason I took this trade here is looking at the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator is an indicator I love to use for good entries. So what you do is you guys see this signal line. So this like orange line, you guys can see that historically when it breaks above, let's remove like the RSI and maybe the volume so we can see it a little better. But you guys can see that historically, when it breaks above these, the MACD line, that blue line. So when the orange breaks through the MACD line, like it did in here, we've gotten tendencies of getting great buying pressure. And then when it breaks through it the other way, going down, this represents selling pressure in the last line of defense where you should hop out. So now looking at it, we had that great move breaking above it, hopping in here, and now we're getting great buying pressure. So I'm looking for this thing I would love for it to go to 45, and we're still in on this position. So I really think that right now this represents a great opportunity to really make some money in the small account. But that's the thing about swing trading, is you always got to have risk management. You always got to make sure you know what to do when things go right, but more importantly when things go wrong. So guys, as of right now, we're sitting near and around $609, which is absolutely fantastic. And then as far as new upcoming plays, there's a bunch of stocks that I think have some sort of opportunity here. It's ticker symbol UWMC. You guys can see it has this really good trend line here where we get good buying pressure. As of today, we did get this nice move today. It's right in this trend line. It's on the 90-day moving average line. It still has a little bit of some separation with the MACD, but more importantly, looking at the RSI, it is very undervalued. So we could definitely see some moves for this stock here. So these are some of the positions we're looking at. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and don't forget code challenge for 50% off the school. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great weekend and take care.